Top Sport – generalinis Žalgirio rėmėjas.
Nesaikingas lošimas gali sukelti priklausomybę.
I'm really excited to be here, and I want to use this opportunity to play in a top level here in Lithuania in a very famous and very successful club, and I hope that I will help teams to achieve everything what is ahead of us. I spoke with my former teammates Novikovas and Zubas, so I was very good informed, and they told me about the club, about the league, about the country, so I'm really excited to be here. Yeah, so the season is starting, so it's really good for me that I don't come in the middle of the season, and that I come like now at the beginning, and to help the team from the beginning, and I think to win the league, and also in the summer to make something. I'm striker. I like to score goals, and I'm hard-working player. So I will help the team to score the goals and to create the chances, and to work hard also in defense, and just to give myself everything to the team, and I think at the end also the team will give it back to me, so we'll both will be successful. I'm healthy, I'm fit, I'm ready to roll, and really excited.